Hello everyone, this is Madhanandan. I am an agriculture field officer at Canara Bank. Here in this video, we are going to see the 20th livestock census, which is very useful in case of UPSCs and state PSCs and also other competitive exams. This is part 2 of 20th livestock census report. Also watch part 1 for complete information, and part 1 video link is provided in the description box below. Okay, now let us see the key features of 20th livestock census. According to the report, the total livestock population in India by the end of 20th livestock census is 535.78 millions, which shows an increase rate of 4.6% of livestock population when compared to 2012. And out of total livestock population, total bovine population, which includes cattle, buffalo, mutton and yak, is 302.79 millions, which shows an increase of 1% when compared to previous census. And if we see separately, the total cattle population in India by the end of 20th livestock census is 192.49 millions, which shows an increase of 0.8% when compared to previous census. And out of total cattle, female cattle population is 145.12 millions, which showed an increase rate of 18% when compared to previous census. And among the total cattle population in India, the exotic or crossbreed cattle population is 50.42 millions, whereas the indigenous or nondescript cattle population is 142.11 millions. And there is 10% increase in the indigenous or nondescript female cattle population when compared to the previous census. And if we see the total population of exotic or crossbreed cattle, it is increased by 26.9% in 2019 as compared to the previous census. But there is a decrease in our local indigenous cattle population, both descript cattle population and non-descript cattle population, by 6% when compared to the previous census. However, this decrease in population is much lesser than decrease in population from 2007 to 2012, that is from 18th livestock census to 19th livestock census. During that time, there is 9% decrease in population. Okay, now let us see the details of buffalo population in India according to 20th livestock census. It is 109.85 millions, which shows an increase of 1% when compared to the previous census. And the total milch animal population, including cattle and buffalo, is 125.34 millions, which shows an increase of 6% over the previous census. Okay, now let us see the details of sheep population according to 20th livestock census. Total sheep population in India is 24.26 millions, which shows an increase of 14.1% over the previous census. The goat population according to 20th livestock census is 148.88 millions, showing an increase of 10.1% over the previous census. And the total pig population in India according to 20th livestock census is 9.06 millions, and nearly 12.03% population is decreased over the previous census. Total mutton population in India is 3.9 lakhs, which shows an increase of 30% over previous census. And the total yak population in India is 58,000, which shows an decrease of 24.67% over previous census. And the total horses and ponies population in India is 3.4 lakhs, which shows an decrease of 45.6% over previous census. And the total population of mules in the country is 84,000, which shows an decrease of 57.1% over the previous census. And the total population of donkeys in the country is 1.2 lakhs, which shows an decrease of 61.23% over the previous census. And if we see, out of all livestock population, donkey population is drastically decreased from 2012 to 2019. And the total camel population in India is 2.5 lakhs, which shows a decrease of 37.1% over previous year. Okay, now let us see the state-wise livestock population details in India. And if we see the total livestock population in India according to 20th livestock census, Uttar Pradesh stands first with highest population, that is nearly about 67.8 millions. And the West Bengal state shows highest percentage increase in the population from 2012 to 2019, nearly about 23.32 percentage. And in Rajasthan, population of livestock is highly reduced. And if we see the cattle population, according to 20th livestock census, West Bengal state stands first with 19 million population of cattle, and the Jharkhand state shows highest increase in the percentage of population from 2012 to 2019, nearly about 28.16 percentage. And in Odisha state, the population of cattle is drastically decreased, nearly 15 percentage. Okay, if we see the buffalo population, according to 20th livestock census, Uttar Pradesh state stands first with highest population, nearly 33 millions, and Madhya Pradesh state shows highest increase in percentage of population from 2012 to 2019, nearly about 25.8 percentage, whereas in Haryana, the buffalo population is drastically decreased. And if we see the sheep population, according to 20th livestock census, Telangana state stands first with highest population, nearly 19 millions, and Telangana state also shows highest increase in percentage of population from 2012 to 2019, nearly about 48.51 percentage, whereas in Uttar Pradesh the population of sheep was drastically decreased. Okay, if we see the goat population, according to 20th livestock census, Rajasthan state stands first with highest population, nearly 20.84 millions, and West Bengal shows highest percentage increase in population from 2012 to 2019, nearly 41 percentage. As in Uttar Pradesh, the population of goat was decreased. And if we see the mules population, Uttarakhand state stands first with highest population, nearly 0.26 lakhs, whereas in Uttar Pradesh, mules population is highly reduced, nearly 79 percentage. If we see the horses and ponies population, according to 20th livestock census, Uttar Pradesh state stands first with highest population, nearly 0.76 lakhs, but in Gujarat state there is highest increase in percentage of population from 2012 to 2019, nearly 19.42 percentage. As in Haryana, population of horses and ponies was highly reduced. If we see the donkey population, according to 20th livestock census, Rajasthan state stands first with highest population, nearly 0.23 lakhs, but over the entire country, the donkey population was drastically decreased from 2012 to 2019. If we see the mutton population, according to 20th livestock census, Arunachal Pradesh stands first with highest population, nearly 3 lakhs 50,154. It also shows highest increase in percentage of population from 2012 to 2019. Whereas in Nagaland, the population of mutton is highly decreased. See the yak population, according to 20th livestock census, Jammu Kashmir state stands first with highest population, nearly 26,000 to 21, but Arunachal Pradesh shows highest increase in percentage of population from 2012 to 2019, whereas in West Bengal, population is drastically decreased. And if we see the poultry population, according to 20th livestock census, Tamil Nadu state stands first with highest poultry population, nearly 120.8 millions. Assam state shows highest increase in percentage of population from 2012 to 2019, nearly 71.63 percentage. In Maharashtra, poultry population is drastically decreased. Okay guys, that's all about 28th livestock census report. Have any doubts? Mention in the comment box below. Thank you for watching the video and do subscribe to our channel for more updates.